Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. If we're looking across the markets right now, once again, we're seeing more red across the board, especially over the last 24 hours within the markets. So what exactly is going on right now, and are we about to see more downwards momentum happen for the price of Cardano? So let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, it is currently trading at 40 cents, down 4.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $14 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $464 million. So right away, you guys can see that the overall buying pressure has been decreasing. So what exactly is causing this? And I'm going to tell you exactly what is happening and what are some next price targets we could be seeing for Cardano in the upcoming days. As always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So you guys can see this for yourself. We are seeing Cardano retesting this level of support. You know, if I go on the hourly time frame, look what's happening. You guys can get a better understanding this time around. That level, you know, that level that I was talking about like crazy when we were on our ways towards the upside, I was saying, you know, this is the level that needs to break out. And now that exact same level is supporting the price of Cardano, and you guys can literally see this for yourself. We're seeing Cardano being supported by that range, and that is not a surprise to anyone right now. But if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin has gone below that level of support at that $28,740, which I've been talking about to you guys. Go watch my videos over the past few days. You know, I've been saying Bitcoin is due for a little bit of a cool off, and what we're seeing happen right now is totally okay. A lot of people think this is not okay, but this is quite healthy before we do see continuation upward trend. But now comes the question, what is happening? So right now, you know, falling below that level of support, there's a strong chance, there's a really strong chance on the table right now that we do see the price of Bitcoin even go down to that $27,000 range, or even possibly retest the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level support, which is at the $27,195 level. That is definitely on the table right now. I cannot stress this enough. If we're looking at the BTC dominance, it's increasing right now, which is causing altcoins to really, you know, lag further and be impacted more compared to Bitcoin right now, which is no secret. Obviously, the correlation between the price of Bitcoin and you know, altcoins should not be taken with a grain of salt. But right now, like I said, you know, we're being supported by this range, which is not, you know, a surprise right now. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, since the yearly high, we have seen Cardano retrace about 13.7%. So nothing to worry about in my personal opinion. Obviously, the long-term perspective, as I've said, you know, this year, you know, we have really seen a Bitcoin make a statement for itself, and altcoins still are just getting started. The altcoin season that everyone is waiting for is still around the corner, and you know, Bitcoin sees a little bit of a cool off. Totally fine with that. What I would personally love for the price of Bitcoin to do is obviously stay above this level of resistance. But like I said, you know, this is the first time I'll say this. Even if we're below this level of support, and even if you trade within this range in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, I'm totally okay with that. So what does this mean for Cardano? This gives a lot of people more opportunity to be accumulating Cardano at a cheaper price. If we lose this support, if we lose this level of support, we could see the price of Cardano go down to that 37 cents, and most importantly, that 35 cents range, which is definitely on the table. I know no one wants to hear this, but this is why we examine the price of Bitcoin on a daily basis. But right now, as of recording this video, we are being supported by this range. But if we go below it, then, you know, we could see more downwards trend, and you know, that around that 35 to that 33 cents mark would be that next price targets we could potentially see for the price of Cardano. But is this worrying some? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You know, the Cardano family, you know, the community itself are going to be excited about this, because, you know, I've been seeing a lot of people, you know, especially when we started breaking towards the upside, almost at 47 cents, you know, people were in the comment section, I missed the boat, I wish I picked more up, because this bull cycle is a long bull cycle, guys. If you think that just the price is just going to go straight up in one line, that is not that's not what's going to happen. There's going to be these corrections, there's going to be consolidations before we do see upwards trend. You know, you can see this for yourself. Even this year, back on February, we created a new yearly high. We did a massive correction, and around this correction everyone was saying, oh, this is it, Cardano is dead, that's it, it's not pumping, and it went on its way to create a new yearly high. So it speaks for itself. These are healthy corrections, healthy consolidations, which is very much needed before we do see more upside and continuation upwards trend. So I'm going to be examining the price of Bitcoin, and I strongly encourage you guys to look at the price of Bitcoin as well. And also, again, you guys know my stance on Cardano. I really believe that this next bull cycle, especially in 2024, when the parabolic type of moves occur, a lot of people are going to be left behind, and just looking back at these prices and saying, damn, Cardano was damn cheap around these prices. And remember, whales are accumulating. Do not forget that billions and billions of dollars is coming into the markets. Remember, since the beginning of the year, if you want to put that into perspective, since the beginning of the year, even after a little bit of a cool off, Cardano is still up 65.46%. So what does this tell us? This tells us, about 65%. So we're talking about like maybe $5 to $6 billion has flown into Cardano just since the beginning of the year. So let's just put that into perspective before we go ahead and start spreading FUD. But obviously, the long-term holders know that the patience is very much needed, and patience will reward you at the end of the day. So this is just the update for you guys for Cardano. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.